Today's young engineer is very aware of the challenges we face as a globe. They're aware of the environmental stuff. They don't really want to hear about all the gloom and doom. In fact, what they want to hear about are solutions.
What you get at McMaster is a different type of thinking and a different type of approach that is going to help you solve these new problems that are coming out.
Well, what we want to train our students to believe is that no problem is insurmountable. We have always been one of the most research-intensive universities and faculties of engineering in Canada. We combine that research intensity with a passion for teaching that encourages all of our faculty to bring their research interests into the classroom.
I've definitely always been encouraged to be innovative and creative and sort of find my own path rather than taking a tried and tested road.
The problems we face in terms of energy, water, globalization, healthcare require engineers to be involved at the very outset in the actual definition of the problem.
You take into consideration the environmental and the social impacts and the global impacts of your projects or your design or what you're doing.
McMaster very recently is really just taken off as a solar energy engineering center, from the engineering physics department to all the hardware and electrical aspects that go into harvesting the sun. This is a great example of engineering for a sustainable future, and MAC is right at the heart of it.
I value the Engineering and Society program very highly. The Society program embraces the needs for future engineers to be socially responsible and to think globally.
I've always had interest in environmentalism and sustainability, and society is very focused on that.
And I would definitely hire someone from Engineering Society program, regardless of their base discipline.
They have the ability to define problems across the board in terms of sustainability, in terms of society, in terms of public policy.
The Engineering Society program has led me into this type of career because I'm looking at how to make travel more sustainable and at the same time how to make transportation systems more efficient. And we need to understand behavior change. With the Engineering Society background, I was able to do that. Think preventatively, think sustainably, understand the context of my designs.
We are starting to see a greater need for what we call the global engineer, somebody that understands the world's problems, not just their neighborhood's problems.
I worked in Malawi for 4 months as part of an Engineers Without Borders placement, and I was working with a local water and sanitation NGO. And I looked at the organization as a group of people who had a certain set of needs, and I was there to use my skills and my education and my knowledge to help them work more efficiently and more effectively.
Their motto now is "Engineers serve the world." And it just fits hand in glove with Engineering and Society, because we have a program, we have a stream called Engineering and International Studies that really tries to plug the student into a global perspective.
It's not just about going overseas and how much you can contribute overseas, it's also what can you understand about the culture and bring back to Canada.
McMaster Faculty of Engineering has one of the most outstanding facilities for research of any faculty in the country, indeed in the world.
The nice thing about McMaster Engineering is that we value our undergraduates. We look out for them, we take care of them. These are our future colleagues.
The learning and teaching style is very collaborative. Profs are very interested in helping you learn when you take those steps to approach them.
I was thinking about this recently at a society event when our profs cooked us dinner, and we sat around and opened Christmas gifts together, and it was definitely a family moment. It was definitely a feeling of being welcome here and a feeling of belonging. It was wonderful. I
saw the energy and I saw the excitement and I saw the respect that came from the people here at McMaster, and especially the engineers. They were excited about their education and also about all the different things that you can do here as an engineer. This is a university that not only offers education but offers an experience and offers an opportunity to learn and grow as a person.